Yes, good afternoon children. Today we will see the next part, that is of parts of a flowers. One by one we will discuss here, that is of hibiscus flowers. Yes, one by one part we will discuss here in today's period. So this part which is a stigma. Yes, so this is the gynoecium parts. Next to that, that is of style. Next, this yellow colored dot that present in there, that is anther. After that, pollen tube it is there. Down of that, you can observe here. And this green colored leaf like part, that is known as the sepals, which are green in colors. They form the calyx also, and last it is a stalk of the flower, that is thalamus, or you can say as a pedicle also, pedicel. Next to that, here male gametophyte it is there, so it can contains the anther and filament in there. So these colored part of the flower, that is known as the petals, and these all together they can forms the corolla. Down to that, this is known as the ovary or ovule of the flower. Yes, so these all are the important part. This is known as female gametophyte. So in female it will comes. So here you can see the each part children, that is calyx, leaf like parts that called as a sepals, and it can forms the calyx. Next to that, the corolla it is there, which is the colorful parts of the flower, and it can forms the petals. If you are observing different flower, the shape, color and smell of the corolla of different flowers, it is different. So rose it is different, hibiscus it is different, mograss it is different, their corolla is also different, smell is also different. Now next part in that, and androecium and gynoecium. So male reproductive part, that is of androecium, so it can contains the anther and filament. Next to that, gynoecium, the female reproductive part, so it can made up of stigma, see here, that is next to that style it is there, and ovary. So when these get after pollination, after the process of fertilization, the ovules or ovary they get develops into a fruit. Yes, I know that children, most of you likes the fruits. Yes, banana, apple, mango. Yes, different fruits are there. So from flowers of a plant, fruits are of different shape, size and color. So fruits are good for health as they contains many vitamins. Trend seeds are present inside the fruit. So some fruits like mango have only one seed inside, while others have many seeds like inside, and apple it is there, watermelon. Do you know that new plant grow from a seed it? New plant grow from seed it. So it stores the food by the baby plant. When the seed gets water, air, suitable temperature, it starts growing and soon it grows into a new plant. So this video is about the angiosperms, are types of plants that have flowers. Most of them have seed encased in fruits. So there are two major types of angiosperms, that is monocot and dicot, which have only one cotyledon, which is the seed leaf and provides food for the embryo. Dicot means which have two cotyledons. So let us take look at some major traits of monocot and dicots. The flowers of the monocots usually have three petals or multiple of three petals. They have long slender leaves with the veins that run parallel. If you look at the vascular tissue in monocot, you will see that they are spread out randomly throughout the stem. In the dicot, the flowers come often in 4 or 5 petals or multiples of these numbers. So the leaves are usually wide and veins branches of one another. If you look at the vascular system, you can see that it is arranged in a circle or ring. So in summary, let's we look at how they are different. Monocots have a single cotyledon and dicots have the leaves of monocots are long and narrow with a parallel veins. Dicot have broad leaves and network. The vascular monocot of scattered, and in a dicot they are in ring. Finally, monocots are usually the petals of the flowers are in multiple of 3s. In dicots they are usually in the multiples of 4. So they are in the multiples of 4. So these are the main 2 types of. So observe children, these are the fruits we are eating. So if you are observing their shape, color and taste are different. So mango, this can contains only one seed, whereas the jackfruit, it consists of many small fruitlets in each with its own seed. Watermelon, if you are taking papaya, if you are taking, there are many seeds in there. Yes, so their skin is different, shelly part, fleshy part are different, seeds are also different. Again, if you are taking wheat, rice, jawar, groundnut, their seeds are again different. So depending upon the seeds, they get divided into 2 parts. So these seeds, they are known as dicotyledons. The seeds which do not divide into 2 equal parts, they are called as monocotyledonous seeds. So in video also you have seen about the difference between both. So today we'll stop here. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my video. Thank you.